In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can automatically answer calls on your Samsung device. You can simply enable auto answering of incoming calls on your Android phone in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your phone dialer. Tap on these three lines right here. Select the option of Settings. On the Settings page, tap on the fourth option of Answering and Ending Calls. On the option of Answer Automatically, make sure to enable this option. When enabled, your phone will always auto-answer incoming calls. To set when to auto-answer when someone has called you, just tap into it and set the time you want to auto-answer if your phone is ringing. That's how easy it is to automatically answer incoming calls on your Samsung phone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.